What's the meaning of Barsetshire? Barsetshire. Barsetshire.
Barsetshire. Barsetshire. Barsetshire is a fictional county in England created by the 19th-century English novelist Anthony Trollope. Barsetshire served as the backdrop for many of Trollope's novels, including the 6 books of his Chronicles of Barsetshire series. The name Barsetshire is derived from the small market town of Barchester, which features prominently in these novels. Trollope used Barsetshire to explore themes such as social class, religion, love, and politics. The county was portrayed as a microcosm of English society, with its rural and urban areas, bustling towns and quiet villages, and diverse inhabitants. Today, Barsetshire remains a beloved setting in English literature, and has inspired other writers, artists, and even tourism.